time, but here's the fit. I don't know if you can really see it. I'll try to show you in better lighting. I have this white turtleneck, gray crew neck, black jeans, my platform white shoes, and then I did my hair and I pulled some of it back. Okay, obviously you can tell I don't have the same outfit on as from the other clips, but that is because it's a different day. I realized I was supposed to upload this a few days ago, but there was a different video I needed to edit. So I'm trying to get a good angle here. As you can tell by the title and what I've shown you so far in the little cleaning montage, I'm decorating my room for Christmas. And I would like to put out there that I'm well aware it is December 19th, so this is really, really late. But better late than never. So let's get started. So I have different decor pieces for different parts of my room, but we're gonna start with my bed first. I have this pillow from last year, this pillow from last year, this pillow from this year. I get a few new holiday pieces each year so that I can slowly build up. And then I have this little guy and a blanket. First, we're gonna try to position this blanket because I never know exactly how to put it on. It just doesn't look quite right, but let's go. This idea because, as you can tell, this wall is very bare, but I have a Christmas sweater and it looks like this, very on theme, and I thought, what if instead of hanging it up in my closet, what if I displayed it on a wall? So hopefully it looks good. Got my thumbtack here, just gonna stick it up. Okay, now, one of the most exciting parts and essential, of course, the Christmas tree. Hopefully, this is an okay angle for you guys. Some sad news is I went to the mall to get a tree, but the mini tree I wanted was all sold out. Therefore, I am left with the tree that I've had since I shared a room with my brother. She's a little scrawny, not gonna lie. This isn't all of it. Although it is most of it. So maybe that's an indicator. The thing about this tree is it's supposed to have 3 of these little things, but there are only 2. And because of that reason, it doesn't actually stand up like it's supposed to. Okay, there's not a lot I can do for a little buddy here, so let's get to decorating. To ignore the fact that I don't have a tree topper, but I'm going to try to make a bow out of this here ribbon. But since I don't have like a skirt or anything. I'm gonna put some little bags underneath, you know.
This is the final review of my room. Enjoy.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.